This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay.Mitman. Well-maintained single located on a spacious double lot. 2-car garage access from the rear alley is a major benefit. Large living room and dining room, very open floor plan. The kitchen adjoins 2 enclosed back porches. Currently, not heated but could be a great breakfast room. 3 bedrooms. The 3rd bedroom has private access with a second staircase. For more information, review the details below or contact Clay.Mitman at 610-253-6123.